Look at this hose. Seriously, look at it. Is your Dyson screaming like a tea kettle but picking up absolutely nothing? Congratulations! Your expensive high-tech vacuum has officially become a very loud, very useless stick. This is the internal bellows hose. Its only job is to stay airtight while you pivot and turn. But here's the problem. This hose is made of flexible plastic. You bend it, twist it, and pivot it thousands of times. Eventually, snap, it develops a tear. Now, I know some of you are thinking,
I can fix myself, Law. I watch video tutorial for 5 minutes, can already.
stop. Don't do it. We see it all the time. Owners try to open the head assembly and end up with a bucket of parts. One wrong move and you'll snap the delicate plastic clips, lose the tiny grounding springs, or worse, misdiagnose the problem entirely. Why stress your brain and waste your weekend? This is where RoboCare comes in. At RoboCare, we don't just patch the problem. We perform a full diagnostic to ensure there are no hidden issues. We use genuine replacement parts. Our technicians handle your machine with surgical precision, cleaning the internal components, checking the seals, and ensuring that when you get your Dyson back, it sounds, feels, and sucks exactly like the day you unboxed it. Look at that suction. That's the RoboCare difference. No more whistling, no more pulsing, no more pretend cleaning. We turn your frustrating paperweight back into the cleaning beast it was meant to be. Trust your Dyson with the pros. Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.